Stop fast track and the practice time now. 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 Track attack now. Stop fast track and the practice time now. Stop fast track and the practice time now.
If the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement is signed on to by the United States of America, it would be really a catastrophe for communities across the nation. Passage of the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement would result in automatic approvals for LNG exports from an increasing number of nations. The more LNG exports you have, the more pressure you have for fracking and for drilling, for gas pipelines cutting across our communities. That also means more eminent domain, stealing people's public and private lands for corporate gain. People and communities having to suffer 24/7 noise, light, pollution. And it means more damaging pollutants going into the air, contributing to climate change, which means increasing floods, increasing droughts, increasing species loss into the future. Another thing that the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement will do, as has been done with so many other trade agreements, is it will give corporations the power to go into international tribunals, standing on equal footing with our nation, with the United States, to challenge laws that have been democratically passed, asserting that those laws are somehow impeding their ability to make profits. And if they succeed, which often they do, it means that those corporations can end up with hundreds of millions of dollars in payouts, and that the laws themselves actually get undermined. So there are very serious ramifications for our democracy, for our environment, and for our communities if the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement is signed onto by the United States. The Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement would actually exacerbate climate change very seriously by increasing LNG exports, by pumping up the pressure for fracking and for drilling, for shale gas extraction, and for gas pipelines, all putting more global climate changing pollutants into the air. So when President Obama starts talking about the TPP as somehow being climate change friendly, he's really misrepresenting the facts and not serving his public, the public, our public, the way he should be.
Amazing amount of propaganda coming from the state, coming from the Obama administration, from the corporate Democrats and the Republicans who support Fast Track and the TPP. A lot of misinformation is out there. We know from the leaked texts and also from our entire history dealing with free trade in this country, a 200-year history, but especially in the more recent neoliberal period, NAFTA, WTO, the Korea Agreement, Free Trade of Americas, etc. We know what these agreements do. They offshore American jobs. They take away environmental and food protections. They remove the barriers for big corporations to do their dirty deals.